My name's Curtis Jobling. I'm an author, illustrator, and animation creator. And if you would like me to visit your school, please keep watching. Whilst I'm perhaps best known as being that chap who designed Bob the Builder, apologies, I also created Rah Rah the Noisy Lion for the BBC, and I've written and illustrated numerous picture books for small people. In addition, I write fantasy and horror novels for middle grade and young adult audiences, such as the Max Helsing and Haunt novels. My epic fantasy series, Wereworld, has sold over 1 million copies worldwide and has been adapted into a major new animated series. You can see Wolf King on Netflix. Further to my work in publishing and film, I'm very fortunate to visit schools all over the world, providing talks and presentations to children of all ages and key stages, from early years right through to college. As an author, illustrator, and animation creator, these talks cover 3 distinct areas of the curriculum: art, media, and literacy, with reading for pleasure at the heart of every school visit. If you would like me to visit your school, bringing my words, pictures, and cartoons to your small people, please just head on over to the website, curtisjobling.com, and drop me a line. Or contact me on social media. You'll find me on most platforms. I'm quite easy to find. Like any good author, you will find me procrastinating all day long, dodging the latest writing deadline. I hope to hear from you very soon. All the best.